So students, I can say that the first part of the poem, there is a tone of negativity or there is a tone of pessimism. But in the second part of the poem, there is a tone of positivity or a tone of optimism. So, the poetic device is, what is the poetic device? It is symbolic. Hemlock tree, it is a symbol of negativity or pessimistic thought. And the crow here acts as positivity or the optimistic thought. Usually people, they do deal crow as omen, bad thing. But here the poet has presented crow as the symbol of positivity, because the crow shook the branch of the tree and the particles of snow fell on the poet, and poet, he refreshed himself and proceeded with full zeal and energy, and he spent the rest of the day with joy and happiness. So that is the poetic device. You can say there is a tone of satire also. The poem, it has presented in such a manner, blended with pessimism and optimism, both satire and wit, both.